Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys my current 5-minute summer makeup routine. I've been doing this all week, so I'm going to show you guys what I do. So first off, I'm starting with moisturizer. I'm taking my Olay Active Hydrating Moisturizer. Now this is important, guys. You always want to make sure that your skin is well moisturized. I love that this is drugstore as well, so very affordable and just a quick everyday moisturizer. So now we're moving on to brows. I am taking my e.l.f. Brow Lift and my Revlon Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm just taking the spoolie end to use the brow gel and shape my brows in place. Now this is going to help really tame my brows. If you're someone who has brow hairs like myself, using a gel is just a quick and easy way to really get them tamed and shaped and put in place. Now, after I put them in place with that gel, I like to use the actual pencil and just fill in my brows to just give a fuller look. I do have some sparseness going on with my brows, so just using the brow pencil to really shape it in place quickly gets the brows done. So now this is the star of the show, the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. Now I get oily in the summer, guys. Focusing this in my T-zone has done wonders. Now I can go a full 8-hour shift at work, and when I tell you my skin is not oily, I do not have any issues. If you're an oily skin girl, a combination girly who deals with oil, this is like the #1 product I would recommend for the summer. So we're going to go in with some concealer. I did take my Rare Beauty concealer. I am in the shade 450N. And we're taking this concealer and focusing it underneath the eyes and honestly just in the T-zone. Now you can see that this concealer is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than my complexion, and that is on purpose, guys. I want to brighten my under eyes as well as conceal the darkness. So we are going in with a lighter concealer, and you can see I'm using a really big brush. So this is a bigger concealer brush, and the reason I'm using a bigger one is because it helps to blend out the concealer faster. This is a 5-minute makeup look, and I find just using a bigger brush allows me to really blend that concealer out. It does not need to be precise. All we're doing is blending the concealer in all of these areas. Now taking a smaller detailed brush, we're going to use that to clean up the brows. Now this step is not necessary, guys. I just really like a nice cleaned up brow, so I just took a small angled brush to shape up my brows, and we're also going to conceal the eyelids as well. So I just needed to do that step. And again, we're taking that bigger concealer brush. I forgot the name of this, but it is one of my newer brushes. I'll link it in the description box below so that you guys could check it out. But this brush really speeds up the time in your 5-minute makeup look. All right, so you guys know we cannot leave the house without powder. I did take my Black Radiance powder, and we're just going to first blend out. You don't want to set any creases, and then you want to lightly set all the areas we use that concealer, to be honest. So you could see that I'm just patting it in all the areas we applied that concealer. This is just going to ensure that it does not budge throughout the day. And I really like this powder because it's still a skin tone powder. It's like translucent, but it really mimics my natural skin tone. And you guys are probably seeing that I have it's just not blended. So this is the star of the show. We need to work on that. So that's the Maybelline Superstay Powder Foundation. This is what's going to bring the whole look together. And I love this powder because it's a full coverage powder. This is what's going to make it look like you wore like foundation. You guys saw that I didn't put any foundation on, but this is your powder foundation. This is what's going to bring everything together. So I did want a bit of color back to my skin, so we're using my NYX Buttermelt Blush, and we're just going to add a bit of pigment to the cheeks. This gives a nice fun and flirty look. Looks like you actually did a lot, honestly, but you didn't. You guys could see this is a quick 5-minute look. And for the eyes, we just did some mascara, guys. We kept it really cute, really simple. I just applied this to my top along with my bottom lashes, and this really brings the look together. If you are a lash girl, you can definitely add a lash, but look at my struggle lashes, guys. I don't know if that did anything, but you can definitely add a lash if you want to this look, if you have some time. but we're doing a quick 5-minute look. So again, to just top off everything, I'm just taking my CoverGirl Yummy Gloss, and that's it. We did a quick 5-minute look, guys. I've been doing this all week. We do want to set it with some setting spray. I did take my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and this is just going to set everything in place. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is just a quick 5-minute look for the summer. Now we're gonna get into detail in my next video, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.